Recording.
Hey, good morning. It is 11:11 on a Wednesday. We're about to jump on a Foothill Parkway. We just left Elvira's Cafe in Weirs Valley. So we're going to make a lefty here and run up to the stop sign, and we're going to make another left. The weather's starting to look kind of gloomy. Not as pretty as it was a couple hours ago. Maybe as we go south, it'll get better. But welcome to the Foothills Parkway, Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Get lucky, there's not going to be any law out here today. Unfortunately, earlier this week, somebody did die on this road. So, yeah, usually after a motorcyclist dies on this road, there's a little bit of an increased presence of law enforcement. But for a Wednesday, we've already seen more than our share of law today. There is just no one out here today. It makes it pleasant when you're up here riding and there's just nobody around. There it is. There it is, y'all. The view's a lot better going the other direction. But if y'all come up here and you want to see this firsthand, drop me a line. I'll come ride with y'all in the mountains. It might not be the pace you want to go, but at least you got a free guide. Ooh, that's pretty. That's the corner where the bear ran out in the road and hit Tracy's back tire. Poor little bear cub, he was cute. He didn't know what happened. He ran out, hit his nose on the back tire, shook his head, and then ran off the road, ran back off where he came from. Probably taught him his best life lesson. That little bear won't run out into the road ever again. And he'll probably take off anytime a motorcycle comes around. Whee! I saw a bear out here last weekend on the old section of Foothills. I doubt we're going to see a bear today. I brought too many people with me. If I'd have come out here alone, there'd have been plenty of elk out in the forest, in the national forest. The sides of the road would be just bears. Bears standing all along the side of the road here, waving at me as I go by. But no, people have seen my videos and then they want to come out here and ride and see the wildlife with me, and there's no wildlife. But I'm going to do it again. I'm starting to really like this route.